call on our first finalist. Candidate number 6. Please join me here. How are you, candidate number 6?
I am feeling nervous, but at the same time, I'm feeling grateful because out of the 15 candidates, I make it to the top 8. So I'm just going to enjoy this journey for me to be able to win the Miss Living Video crown.
Your question, but try to pick one. Okay, so she gave me the honor to read the question for her. So again, may I request our dear audience to please keep quiet. Our candidates may answer in English or any vernacular or Filipino language. So here is your question, candidate number 6. If you could talk to any prominent figure, such as a celebrity or politician in the Philippines, living or dead, who would it be and why? Again, if you could talk to any prominent figure, such as a celebrity or politician in the Philippines, living or dead, who would it be and why?
Thank you so much for that question. If I'm given a chance to talk to the prominent figure, living or not, it could be a politician. Why, ladies and gentlemen, as a government employee, they are the ones who understands us, and of course, they are we part of the community that they can understand. I believe that if we learn how to communicate with the government and its people, we can have a better country and a better community to live in. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, candidate number 6. Next finalist, candidate number 9. Candidate number 9, if I'm not mistaken, got the best in swimsuit and best introduction number. So how do you feel, candidate number 9?
Nervous, and I'm such an honor to be invited to the
Okay, meron ka ba gusto batiin?
I just want and just would like to thank to all the people supporting me, to my family, to my friends, to people who push me to join this game.
Okay, so be ready now to pick your question. And just feel relaxed. Take time to read your question. Okay, allow me to read your question. What is your opinion about members of the LGBTQIA community raising a family of their own? Again, what is your opinion about members of the LGBTQIA plus community raising a family of their own?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I'm a simple transgender woman who became a part of the LGBT members who become a majorette and live with private high school. And now I'm one of the trainer of the LGBT members. And I just want to say that to all LGBT members na hindi lang tayo bago, hindi lang tayo ganyan. Kailangan yung lumabas sa inyong shell or salary upang maging proud sa inyo ang bawat isa. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 9, for that answer. Let us have our next candidate. I think it's candidate number 10. Candidate number 10, how are you?
I'm so grateful because I didn't expect that I was I think this is for the graphics to provide that confidence and to all the sponsors. Thank you so much.
Marami kang fans tonight. So try to put your question. Brave enough. Okay, so allow me to read your question. What would you tell a young member of the LGBTQIA plus community suffering from low self-esteem due to discrimination? Again, what would you tell a young member of the LGBTQIA plus community suffering from low self